So we're looking at the sun. It's Friday the 15th of July. It looks like I see a sunspot up there. Unless it's some dirt on my center, that's another possibility. It's cloudy, so the sun is partially obscured by thin cloud. What we're looking through, by the way, is a 500mm lens with a doubler on it, bringing it up to 1000mm on a full frame sensor. And the f-stop would be f16. The shutter speed's a 60th of a second, and we're shooting at ISO 1600. And the reason the ISO is so high is because I've got a very dark solar filter on the lens. So the sun's moving up towards the top of the frame. I'm going to reframe this. Whoops, daisy. Don't have one of these super fine-tuned tripod heads. So let's just shift it a bit to the left here. And yeah, so we're going to let it rise through the frame. Really not sure about my focus. I mean, it looks reasonably sharp, but the focus could be off. I'm also a little concerned about the vibration, you know, at a 60th of a second, even on a tripod, and even if there's no vibration in the camera itself, there can still be vibration from wind and even ground vibrations and so on. Even maybe my talking could induce some small vibrations in the camera, but it definitely looks like a sunspot there in the upper right quadrant. And we'll just let the sun go through the frame here slowly. So the camera's stable, the sun's moving up as the Earth rotates. And yeah, so again, 1000mm focal length. It's a Tamron f8 mirror lens with a Tamron SP 2x teleconverter. So that's 1000 at f16, and it's not possible to change the aperture. It's a fixed aperture. And again, I don't want to mess around with the focus because it looks reasonably sharp. I may in the next attempt to get a shot here, I think I may see if I can fine-tune the focus, but it looks reasonably good to me. We may try to get some still shots, but I was actually surprised at just how much light is cut by this solar filter. I was expecting to be able to shoot at 100th of a sec. 100 ISO, but no, 1600. It's really a bit too much. You know, I should probably put a less powerful solar filter on to be able to lower the ISO and also raise the shutter speed. I'd prefer to be shooting at a 500th of a second just to minimize vibration. But yeah, sun's rising up there, so that's it for now.